Okay, students, let's focus on one numerical here today. It's given as if the fault current is 4000 amperes, the relay setting is 50%, and current transformer ratio is 400 by 5 amperes. So then the PSM of the relay is. So this question I have taken. It came as one mark question for gate. So from there I have taken it up. So if the fault current is 4000 amperes, the relay setting is 50%, and current transformer ratio is 400 by 5 amperes. So you have to find out the plug setting multiplier of the relay. So we know that plug setting multiplier is nothing but the ratio between fault current to that of the product between the CT ratio and pickup current. So fault current is given as 4000 amperes. So put it in the numerator, divided by CT ratio. CT ratio is given as 400 divided by 5. So place that here, 400 divided by 5 into pickup current. So what is pickup current? Now pickup current is given as the formula. It is a very important formula, so please always try to remember it. Pickup current is always defined as the product between the CD secondary current and current setting. Okay. Now, so again I am repeating, pickup current is defined as the formula for product between the CT secondary current and current setting. Now CT secondary current is given as 5 amperes. So place here 5. Okay, 400 by 5. 400 belongs to the primary side of CT and 5 belongs to the secondary side of CT. So 5 amperes is actually the CT secondary current into current setting. Now see, the relay setting is 50%. That means is the current setting of the relay. So 50% means 0.5. So you have to multiply 5 with 0.5. So ultimately we get 4000 whole divided by 400 by 5 into 5 into 0.5. That comes out to be at 20. So plug setting multiplied PSM is equals to 20. So with the help of PSM, what do we do actually? From here we find out the theoretical operating time of the relay, and from there we can find out the actual operating time of the relay. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.